Halo, we have Halo Cap, and it's me, Kevin. We have Firewielder as Nathan. Nathan, say hi.
Hello.
Shadow Wolf as Shadow Wolf Michael the Dope. Then we got XXLKP fan, XX, that's Kurt, the clan leader of Bumbo.
Greetings, everyone. I am the clan leader.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Time out.
Then
Can
we
you
have
please do that
Royal
overdose?
Dog
Stop.
Savage.
Stop. Stop. Dude, that's so creepy. Kurt,
Fuck around the pussy.
what is that? That's so weird. You're gonna scare people
my-
and
it's
like
my
hear your
intro.
voice.
That's
Then they're gonna
terrible to say on you.
file for a restraining order.
And
I
we
think that would be
have
mine.
Kurt in all caps.
Okay, here. Repeat. Here, start over again, Kevin.
No, don't start over. Let's just use that. God.
Who cares? Just keep going.
Oh my gosh.
Even though
Okay,
Kurt
let's
sounds
just,
like
we're starting.
Let's just go.
Started.
power.
Come on,
for
let's You
you
brought
guys.
this on yourselves. You brought this on yourselves.
This is RooShambo,
No.
citizens of America, or in Canada.
Oh, God. I can't. Can I? I'm gonna after this
Okay, you
video, I'm
guys are
gonna finish
alive.
reading my
Let you
book
live.
or some.
Let's find
Seriously,
that.
I was
real-
going to play that. I was gonna play that
Oh,
until you guys started. I warned you.
Well, let's go. What are we doing, RooShambo?
How we started.
Your mic is
Nobody
enough.
plays
Your
any
mic is
songs
enough.
or like the whip or anything.
That's
I
that's
can't
you
play my
like.
music.
Shut the fuck up. Alright.
Infinity Slayer.
Okay, and Eli, you are not going to jail. Calm yourself.
Eliminate the enemy team.
Alright, what do you
He's
have?
going.
Spectacular.
Michael, don't tell me. Okay, what do you have? Let me see.
Okay,
Okay.
so RooShambo is where you
Oh,
have
back up.
home life and you start off with random weapons in a small hallway. Right now we got an AFC player away from controller named Michael.
Get out of there, get out of there.
Hey, what does Halo Cap even say?
Okay, go.
Oh, I never.
Oh, okay, I'm not covering you. I'm not covering you.
Hashtag reeling the bait.
No!
Oh, Nathan, that's right. Nathan, you got the fun. You got the. Oh.
No.
More teabagging allowed in the corner, please.
Why no
Oh.
teabagging? It's all about Halo.
Nope. No.
It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter.
Halo. How can Halo get done? That's like.
Come on. Let me see. Okay.
Yeah, and remember your mic is crappy,
Okay.
Eli? Just remember that.
No.
I missed.
Don't sit. Got him. Ooh.
Round over.
My God.
Hey, good job,
Oh,
good
you have
job,
no chance.
good job.
Alright.
Is Nyan Cat even like anything?
I don't know, but all I know is your mic is crappy.
Oh, guys, I got the pew thing.
Let's go,
Got-
Kurt. Let's go,
I see it,
Kurt.
I see it,
Let's
I
go,
see it, I
Kurt.
see it.
Let's go, Kurt. Let's go, Kurt.
Yeah, sniffles.
Go, 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 go.
Oh shoot! Oh my God!
What?
Sorry, that was a fail on your guys'
Where is
part.
it? Where is
Holy
it? Where is
crap,
it?
And I missed
Where
all
is
my
it?
shots too.
Where's your gun? Oh, I thought you died.
There we go.
that was beautiful, guys.
Oh my God.
Halo Cap, what did you tell me not to do earlier when I was cussing?
That.
Oh, cussing? Is that what we're talking about?
Okay, I got this.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
I got
not
this.
do that.
Let me see what you
I
have.
have 177, 177.
Okay.
Oh, nope, 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 nope.
Okay, now go to 172, 172.
172, 172. Gotcha.
Go, go, go.
Wow. Pick up my gun.
You guys.
Okay, I'll tell you where he is.
Round over.
Ooh,
Good job. That's
beautiful.
been getting 173, Michael. Great job.
Didn't
Oh my
It's not even a
gosh.
real plan. Just saying.
I'm just throwing out numbers, guys. Alright, cool.
Okay,
Oh,
for
I think I'm
real,
a
we
bot,
must
bro.
penetrate their defense. Because I have this.
Okay. What do you
I'm
have?
going to call everyone my
Oh,
name.
guys.
Okay.
I rush up. Rush up. Fuck it. Like bot.
Alright, no more charging.
Hey, you got this thing.
Charging's not working.
Okay,
Stay back and snipe.
No, they're all back there in the left corner. Oh, they have a sniper.
We're obviously gonna die.
Get that out, dude.
Eli, back up.
Nice shot.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, we got that.
Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Okay, go, Michael, go.
I can't go, I can't go.
Dude, a ricochet shot would
Ooh.
be so savage right now.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Just
Gotcha.
don't move. Just shh.
You're on top of me.
That person's not being quiet, Michael.
So much for kid friendly.
Can't hear me. Don't move. I said don't move.
All kid friendly is gone.
The pinnacle balance team.
Alright.
Got balanced
Alright.
so well on his head.
Nathan,
know you're
move
not
up a
even
tiny
on.
bit.
Whoa, whoa, guys, keep
Yeah,
it
hurry
E-rated.
up.
This is an M-rated game,
Tiny-
guys.
you.
Move up a little bit. Move up.
No.
Okay, yeah, go.
No! Everybody back. Everybody back. People here.
That plan failed.
Oh yeah, can I? Am I still allowed to?
Alright.
Yeah, Michael, I totally enjoy your energy card because you're down bad.
Mike,
Okay, Nathan, we have to do something. I'd say
We really do.
execute order 66.
Alright.
Alright, so already here's the plan, guys. I got this.
No, 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 no.
final
No,
order
no,
69.
Oh, wow.
No reason
Ooh.
to back up, but that's okay.
That was close.
yeah. This week you missed order 66. Congratulations.
Let's
he's
make
right
it
there.
Crap, you just sound retarded.
Nathan, what plan should we do?
I have no idea.
You should do order
69.
alpha, beta, zeta.
Michael, pick a random number.
43.
22.
Operate.
No,
13.
is your name Michael?
42 nipples.
Is your name Michael? No.
Just pick,
Touch
You don't
you.
know
pick a
what
something
it is,
number.
not.
41
minute.
and a half.
I thought he was out of
Second
ammo.
power. Divided by 2.
Go,
What? Come back this way. Now.
go. Okay, no. Oh my
Wasted
god.
shot.
Plan.
Dipshit.
He's out of ammo.
No!
Ah. I'm sorry, Kevin. I wanted you to waste that. I wanted to waste that shot on you.
I thought we get Nathan.
I'm sorry, Kevin. I wanted him to take that shot on you.
It's alright, it's alright. Well, I have a next one in that game again. Totally
I
not
do
Michael.
too.
What happened? Oh, shoot.
Oh, watch out. They are waiting there. They're rushing too.
Oh my god. Really? 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 Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Got one.
I hate you, fire.
Go, 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 go.
I hate
Hey, wait,
arcade.
wait, hold on, shoot this one. Wait up. Look, wait.